his mask off and holds his head, and she sees him in the screen.
Welcome to Arizona. The skywalk dead-ended, so I just dumped literally all of our stuff over this 5-foot wall that's covered in gum on the other side. Now we get to get on the shoulder of the freeway and walk US 93 for the next 70 miles to Kingman, Arizona. Hurrah!
They both see the traps. No fool, oh, they won't go back. No fool, oh, they've got a mind track. No fool, oh, it's all a mystery. Let it come and let it be. Let it come and let it be. Let it come and let it be.
are just on our way out of Kingman. Stopped at the BLM office yesterday and they kind of confirmed that the best route to get where we're trying to go is to continue along US 93. So we're bypassing I-40 right now, taking some back roads to get to 93 where it heads south towards Phoenix. And then eventually we'll cut up towards Prescott and Kirkland Junction. Just, they said with the water sources in the cart and everything, that was probably the best way to go. Also went to the hospital yesterday and got my 3rd rabies vaccine. Unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, probably means my immune system's working. I was up a good chunk of last night feeling pretty crappy from reaction to the vaccine. Kind of in a bad mood today. Trying to figure out where I'm going to get the next vaccine because I have one more left to go next Thursday, so we kind of have to hustle to get to Prescott. One more week of road walking, hopefully, pavement road walking anyways, and another week of hot weather. It's supposed to be in the mid-90s today, so just kind of taking it slow to start today and then back to 20s tomorrow.
Have you ever felt like nothing? Heartbeats but the blood's not rushing. I tell myself that everything is fine, but deep inside I know that it's just a lie. Lights out on an open road, cold calling on a broken phone.
So just walking along, and this truck was pulled off, and they left a water, which kind of don't really need, but apples. Super nice of them.
True, but I don't think I'll get through another night. To wake up in an empty bed, echoes of the words you said, that you would never leave my head. You were right, yeah, you were right. You were right. You were right. Said you'd never leave my head. And you were right. You were right. You were right. Have you ever felt like running? Look down and your feet aren't budging. 'Cause every time I try to get to you, I think I went for miles and I didn't even move. Life now is an uphill road, cold calling but there's no one home. Thought I wouldn't even notice you're gone, but I was so wrong. Turns out that I need you. I thought it couldn't be true, but I don't think I'll get through another night. To wake up in an empty bed, echoes of the words you said, that you would never leave my head. And you were right. You were everything I need, the only air I'd ever breathe, the only light that I could see. Yeah, you were right. You were right. 'Cause now I'm only seeing red. I remember when you said that you would never leave my head. Well, you were right. You were right. Turns out that I need you. I thought it couldn't be true, but I don't think I'll get through another night. To wake up in an empty bed, echoes of the words you said, that you will never leave my head.